However, note that it's not correct to say do you like to invite somebody to do something. Despite of कि आप इसमें it means like, but आप do you like को हरगिज़ नहीं लिख सकते in case of inviting someone for doing something. So the sentence structure when you're using would look like subject followed by this phrase would like followed by verb but in the infinitive form. अब would like को जब भी इस्तेमाल करेंगे सेंटेंस में तो इसके बाद जो भी verb होगा that will be in the infinitive form which is to followed by verb. हम इसको examples में देख लेते हैं. Would you like to dance with me? So आपने इसमें would like को split किया है with the subject but the following verb is in the infinitive form which is to dance. Second example, I would like to visit Japan. So the verb after would like is to visit and this is in the infinitive form. We would like to order now, please. So this to order is again verb in the infinitive form. Furthermore, another more examples, the president would like to be re-elected. Again, after would like, the verb is in the infinitive form. Another example, they would like to study at the university. Keep an eye कि हमारे पास verb following by would like is always in the infinitive form. And another example, would you like to see a movie? Would you like to see a movie?